In front of me is Infinix Hot 9, and let me show you some of the secret codes that you can use on this device. So at first, just open your phone dialer, go to keypad, and let's enter the first code, which is asterisk pound, double to 5, pound asterisk, pound asterisk. And here we've got the calendar info, so if you would like to check all upcoming events, some important dates, celebrations, business meetings, just enter this number, this code, and all event celebrations will be right in front of you. So let me go back. That would be all for the first one. Another one is asterisk pound, 426, pound asterisk, pound asterisk. And here we've got the diagnostic mode, and you can find here events and status. If you want to enroll the advanced view, tap on the more icon and click on advanced view. Here we've got all details. So this is it. That would be all for this one. Another code is asterisk pound, 4636, pound asterisk, pound asterisk. And here we've got testing mode performed by Google, where you can read phone info. So here we've got email number, phone number if your SIM card is included, roaming, current network, signal strength, voice service, data network type. A bit lower you can perform a ping test, just click here, and below you've got info. Then you've got user statistics, so if you want to check your apps, smoothly enter user statistics, where you can check all details like usage time and also last time use. So here you've got the name of app, and then hour of the last usage and the whole usage time. And last option here is Wi-Fi info, so just click to enter, and you've got here Wi-Fi APA, Wi-Fi configuration, and Wi-Fi status. Under Wi-Fi APA, you can reach disable network, disconnect networks, enable network, configure networks, and the whole connection info. Then under Wi-Fi configuration, you can check all configured networks, and then in Wi-Fi status, just refresh it, you can check the current status of your network. Also, this mode allows you to perform a ping test. Just click on it, and below you will find the answer. So it actually passed the test. So that will be all for this code. And another code that I would like to show you is asterisk pound 06 pound. This one is pretty short, and it will provide you with email numbers assigned to your device, so those unique numbers that may be truly helpful if you need to provide someone with your phone specification. Just enter this code, and here you've got the unique numbers assigned to your device. And that will be all. This is all that I wanted to show you today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.